Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 9.3 of Chapter 9, Differential Equations, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. Exercise 9.3 solves equations with variables separable, 10 general solutions, 4 particular solutions, 4 curve finding problems, and the balloon, bank, and bacteria applications, ending with 1 multiple choice. Here is the list, grouped. Question 1. The half-angle ratio, tangent squared of half x. Convert, then integrate directly. The ratio is tangent squared, which is secant squared minus 1. Integrate. Question 2. All the y dependence sits under a root, separate. The inverse sine integral appears on the y side. Separate the variables. Solve for y. Question 3. Move y across and separate. A log of 1 minus y appears. Separate, dy over 1 minus y equals dx. Exponentiate. 1 minus y is a constant times e to the minus x. Question 4. Symmetric in the two tangents, divide by their product. Each side becomes a log of a tangent. Divide by tangent x tangent y, and integrate each side. Combine the logs. Question 5. The x side numerator is the derivative of its denominator. A log form on the x side. Separate and recognize the log pattern. Integrate. Question 6. A clean product of x and y factors. Arctangent on the left, a cubic on the right. Separate. Integrate both sides. Question 7. A log inside a log will appear. Log of log y against log x. Separate, dy over y log y equals dx over x. Exponentiate twice. Question 8. Fifth powers on both sides. Negative fourth powers after integrating. Separate into power integrals. Multiply by minus 4 and rename the constant. Question 9. Just integrate the inverse sine by parts. The known antiderivative from Chapter 7. Integrate inverse sine by parts with 1. That is the general solution. Question 10. Group the exponentials with x and the tangents with y. 2 log integrals. Separate. Combine, tangent y proportional to e to the x minus 1, constant absorbing the sine. Question 11. Partial fractions on the x side, then fix the constant. The cubic factors as x plus 1 times x squared plus 1. Decompose and integrate. Y of 0 equal 1 forces c equal 1. Package the logs. Question 12. Partial fractions over 3 roots, then the condition at 2. The split has minus 1 over x and halves at the shifted roots. Decompose and integrate to a packed log. At x equal 2, the log reads 3/4, so c cancels it. Question 13. The derivative itself sits inside a cosine. Invert the cosine, integrate the constant slope. The slope is the constant inverse cosine of a. Rearranged in the book's form. Question 14. Separate and meet the secant. Log y against log secant. Separate and integrate. The condition kills c. Y is secant x. Question 15. The twice by parts exponential sine integral, pinned at the origin. The known antiderivative from Chapter 7. Integrate. The book form clears the fraction. Question 16. Separate with a division that leaves constants plus reciprocals. Both integrals produce a linear plus log pair. Separate and integrate. The point 1, minus 1 gives c equal minus 2. Question 17. The condition reads y times y prime equals x. A hyperbola-style relation appears. Translate and separate. Through 0, minus 2, c is 4. Question 18. A geometric slope condition. The two shifted variables separate cleanly. Translate. Y prime is twice y plus 3 over x plus 4, then separate. The point minus 2, 1 gives c equals 0, a parabola. Question 19. Constant volume rate turns into a cube root law for the radius. Two data points fix both constants, volume, linear, and t. Fit the two conditions through the sphere formula. Solve for r. Question 20. Continuous compounding, exponential growth in the principal. Doubling in 10 years pins down r. The growth law integrates to an exponential. Doubling gives the equation in r. Take logs. R is 10 log 2, about 6.93. Question 21. The same law, now solving forward. 10 years at 5% gives the half exponent, the exponential solution, with the given data. Using the given value of e to the half. Question 22. Proportional growth with a 10% checkpoint. The 2-hour data fixes k, then solve for the doubling time. Exponential growth. The 2-hour condition gives k as half the log of 11/10. Set an equal to twice n0 and solve for t. Question 23, the final one, multiple choice. Split the exponent and separate. E to the minus y on the left. Separating gives e to the minus y dy equals e to the x dx. Integrating and rearranging gives option A. That completes all 23 questions of exercise 9.3. In the next video, we will take up exercise 9.4 on homogeneous differential equations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to math tutorials, and share it with your friends.